In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix when your logo is not showing on Google Workspace. Let's dive right in and ensure your brand identity is perfectly represented across your Google Workspace. A common issue many encounter is the logo not appearing as expected, but don't worry. Solving this is simpler than you might think. To begin, navigate to your Google Workspace dashboard. This is your central hub, and fixing your logo starts right here. Look towards the top of your screen, where you'll likely see either your current logo or even just your photo. This is where you'll want to click. Hover over this area until you see the option to make changes, and go ahead and click on it. This will guide you to the area where you can adjust your logo settings. Now that you've accessed your logo settings, the next step is to check if your logo is set to the default. This happens more often than you'd think, and it's the main reason why your personalized logo might not be displaying. What you want to do here is select the option that allows you to choose a custom logo. This will enable you to upload your specific image or company logo straight from your computer. Be sure to have your logo ready and easily accessible on your device. A quick tip here: ensure your logo file is in a compatible format, such as PNG or JPEG, to avoid any upload issues. Once you've chosen your custom logo file, it's time to upload it. Click to add it and take a moment to confirm that the upload was successful and that the image looks just right. This is a key part of the process, so don't rush it. Double-check that everything appears exactly as you want it to in your Workspace interface. After you're satisfied with your selected logo, you'll need to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the Settings page and click it to finalize your update. It's crucial to remember this step, as any unsaved changes will mean your new logo won't appear as intended. And that's it. You've now successfully updated your logo on Google Workspace. This ensures that your brand is consistently showcased across all your communications and documents. In case you face any further challenges, revisiting these steps should help sort out most issues. If persistent problems occur, consider reaching out to Google Workspace support for further assistance. I hope this guide has helped you display your logo correctly on Google Workspace. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you with more tech tips and solutions in our future videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.